Hi, with version 3.16 LifterLMS has changed the way the course can be created. Now, we have also come with a new version of Excel CSV to LifterLMS course import plugin that makes it very easy to create courses in LifterLMS. It is just 2 steps process to create courses in LifterLMS. Step 1, open our CSV template, fill the columns properly. Step 2, log into WordPress site, upload the CSV file. And your all courses imported under course list. Now watch the demo. At first you have to install the plugin by uploading. Go to Courses, you will find the link LifterLMS Courses Importer, click it, and you will find 2 buttons. One is to upload, and the other one is to download demo CSV template, click and download a template. Once downloaded, open it using Excel spreadsheet program, and fill the column. Once the file is prepared, save it as CSV. Next go to upload the CSV file, you will see a success message. Now let us check the courses which we have just imported. Go to Course, and click Edit, you will see whole course details.